Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A50, and today I will show you how to insert a SIM card and memory card. And for this you will actually need some kind of pin eject tool that usually comes in a box with your device, like I have right here. Or if you don't have it, you can use some kind of paper clip, like this completely bent out of shape paper clip. But I'm just going to use this one. And what you want to do is on the side right here, on the left side, you have this tray, as you can see, and it has a tiny little hole where you can put the tool in there and push it in there till it pops out like so. And then you just want to pull it out all the way. And from here we have space for 2 SIM cards, basically the smallest size. And you can put them like so. Oh, if I could be putting it the wrong way. There we go. So, as you can see, that's how they go with that little cutout right here in the bottom right corner. And the memory card like so. Make sure they're all the way in. And once you have it ready, you can just slide it back in like so. So slide it all the way, and now one of the SIM cards has actual pins, so let me put that in. Okay, so both of them actually had a pin number. And from here, as you can see, it's at the moment not reading them. Oh, there's one SIM card read, and also SD card is already being read. And you can also change some settings. Once you put them in, it automatically takes you there. You can disable or enable, say, a SIM like so, and now one of them is disabled. You can also choose which one is the default one, and when you go, actually let's go back and well, not here. Okay, so whenever you have 2 SIM cards actually working at the same time, so let me actually go back and enable them. Okay, so now that 2 of them are on, when you go for the dialer, you actually have the option which one you will use to call. You can select, and messages should have the same thing whenever you actually write a message. And yeah, so that is basically how you insert it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.